Did you know that the width of Roman chariots from 2,000 years ago influenced the space rockets we launch? The Roman army, having conquered Europe, laid down a massive road network for the rapid movement of supplies. At this time, the wheel width of the carriages running on the roads was about 1,435 millimeters. This was a simply set standard, matched to the width of the behinds of the two horses pulling the carriage. As time passed, this standard was also applied to George Stephenson's steam locomotive, built during the 19th century British Industrial Revolution. This was the birth of the standard gauge, which became the baseline for railway widths worldwide. This British railway standard was transplanted across the ocean to the United States. Numerous railways and tunnels across the American continent were all constructed to match this old width of 1,435 millimeters. And in the late 20th century, NASA in the US was manufacturing massive solid rocket boosters to launch the Space Shuttle. The problem was that this rocket, made in a Utah factory, had to be transported by train to the launch site. And the width of the mountain tunnels the rocket had to pass through was tailored to the width set during the Roman era. Ultimately, the diameter of the space rocket had to be designed to a size that could pass through this tunnel. It turned out that the size of the space rocket was determined by the width of the behinds of the horses pulling a Roman chariot 2,000 years ago. Perhaps a trivial rule carelessly set right now might be observed even in space in the distant future.